Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Now I can check your homeworks. Okay. Today I have to check 2 homeworks, no? Okay, we will try, huh? Don't worry, I am not going to ask any question, don't worry. Don't be afraid. Okay? Homework for lesson 5. The locative and vocative. Okay? Number 1. Mani settissa mottismin bhavati. Meaning? Bhavati meaning? Is. Okay, there is. Like this, huh? There is. Money meaning? Gem. Settissa meaning? Millionaire. Mottismin meaning? In the feast. Whole sentence. There is a gem in the feast of the millionaire. Okay. Number 2. Bhavanto gahapatayo girisu nidhi ganhantu. Now ganhantu. Ganhantu meaning? Please take. Ganhantu, please take. Bhavanto gahapatayo meaning? Dear household. Nidhi meaning? Hidden treasures. Girisu meaning? In the mountain. Okay? Whole sentence. Very good. Next one. Bho kavi girisming. Ne. Oh, girisming na dhavatu. Bho kavi. Huh? No meaning don't. Don't. D-O-N. Don't. No. Okay. Bho kavi meaning dear poet. Dhavatu meaning please run. Na dhavatu meaning please don't run. Please don't run. Giris mean oh, in the mountain. On the also can, no? According to English, check in or on what is the proper. Okay. Next one. Adhipatayo girimhi deeping passanti. Adhipatayo, the leaders. Passanti, see. Deeping, the leopard or a leopard. Girimhi, or in the mountain, on the mountain also can. Okay. Next one. Bhavanto isi girisming Vasantu. Bhavanto is he. Dear hermits, Vasantu. Please live. Girisming. In the mountain. Bhavanto upasaka Paauk vihare vasantu. Okay, dear lady devotees, please live in the Paauk monastery. Very good. Next one. Kapi bodhisu ahayo passanti. Kapi, the monkeys, passanti, see. Ahayo, the serpents. Bodhisu, on the bo trees. The monkeys see the serpents on the bo trees. Boho gahapati girisu yattayo ochinatu. Boho gahapati, dear householder, ochinatu. Please speak or please gather. Yattayo, the sticks. Girisu, in the mountain. Okay. Bhosarati narapatino girimhi bodhayo oloketu. Bhosarati, dear charioteer, oloketu. Please look at bodhayo, the bo trees. Girimhi, in the mountain. Narapatino, of the king. Dear charioteer, please look at the bo trees in the mountain of the king. Okay. Number 9. Bhavanto adhipati saratihi saha girisu charantu. Bhavanto adhipati, dear leaders. Charantu, please walk. Girisu, in the mountain. Sarati bhi saha, with the charioteers. Very good. Wonderful. Deepi bodhisu kapayo passati. Deepi. Repeat. Passati. Kapayo. Bodhisu, on the bo tree. Very good. Okay. Happy? Everybody okay? Oh, very good. It's very good. They take time to do. Because you are not familiar with the Pali, no? That's why. This is very new. Okay. Translate into Pali. There are gems in the feast of the guests. There are gems meaning money, manayo, of the guest in the feast. Atiti nang muttimhi o muttisming. Bhavanti. Bhavanti. There are gem meaning manayo bhavanti. Sorry? Yeah. Sorry, muttisu. Okay. Mani o manayo atitina muttisu bhavanti. Okay, honti also can. Usually bhavanti is proper. Bhavanti. mani atitinang muttisu bhavanti. Mani atitina muttisu bhavanti. Okay. Number 2. Dear monks, please sit. Next time, if some after seeing some Bhante, you can say Muni, see Dantu. Now, if you have only one Bhante, Nisi Datu. The short way, Bhante Nisi Datu. Also can. Very short. Bhante Nisi Datu. Bhante also Pali, no? Bhante Nisi Datu. Okay? Can. Okay. Next one. Dear millionaire, please get the hidden treasures in the mountain of the king. Bhosetti of the king in the mountain. Bhupatino o Bhupatis Girimhi Nidhi o Nidhayo get. Please get. Labhatu. But hidden treasures are plural. It's object. But subject only one person, no? Okay? Bhosetti Bhupatino o Bhupatis o Narapatino o Narapatis Girimhi o Girisming Nidhi o Nidhayo Labhatu. Okay? Number 4. The serpents bathe in the ocean. Very good. Nahayati. Ahi o ahayo. Udadimhi o udadisming. Nahayanti. Okay, number 5. Dear relatives of the master, please venerate the Bodhi tree. Bhavanto. Sorry. Bhavanto. Dear relatives of the master. Bhavanto. Patinang Nyati is proper way. Patinang Bhavanto Nyati. Okay? Patinang Bhavanto Nyati. Patinang Bhavanto Nyati. Nyata you also can. Bodhing Vandantu. Okay? Okay? Next one. Dear householder, please do not strike the monkeys on the mountain. Meaning? No, dear householder, only one. Bho Gahapati. The monkeys on the mountains. Girisu Kapi o Kapayo. na paharatu, na paharatu, na paharatu. Ma paharatu su kenna, ma also don't. Ma loan, ma loan, ma meaning also, ma paharatu means also don't. Don't. Usually we are going to order to somebody. At that moment, ma paharatu. Ma paharatu, don't, yeah, don't hit or don't straight. Then, but usually the normal way, na paharatu meaning also don't, but not the order. Not the order. Next one, the charioteer put the charcoal dust into the fire. Sarathi into the fire. Put meaning tapeti. The charcoal meaning, the charcoal dust meaning massing into the fire. Aggimhyo, aggisming. Okay, this means Sarathi aggimhyo aggismi massing tapeti. Massing. Nikipati can Nikipati put can Nikipati. Because usually the charcoal dust meaning we cannot divide, no, the singular plural, no. That's why we try to use the singular. Now charcoal dust meaning we cannot divide. This is singular plural, no. That's why we have used singular massing. So no. Cannot count. Next one. Dear leaders, please do not go into the ocean. Bhavanto adipatiyo adipatayo udadesu na gacchantu. Ma gacchantu also can. Okay. Number 9. The serpents live on the boar tree with the monkeys. Ahi. With the monkeys. Kapina sadding or kapina saha. On the boar tree. Bodhimhi or bodhisming. Live. Viharati, vasati, also. So the vasanti, plural. Viharanti or vasanti. Ahiyo ahayo, kapina sadding o saha, bodhimhyo bodhisming vasanti. Okay. Number 10. Dear charioteer, please place the sticks on the hands of the relative. Dear Bhosarati, of the relative Nyati nang o, so Nyatino o Nyatisse, Panisu on the hands. Panisu. Yatti o yattayo, sticks. Tape tu. Please place. Tape tu. Tape tu. Please keep a meaning. Okay, already done in the book exercise? Not yet. Some. Okay. Yeah. Don't know the vocab. Okay. Page number 14, exercise number 5. Everybody have books? Office. Okay. Oh, okay. Exercise number 5, page number 14, now 1-4. Oh, still beginning, no? Still? How many page? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Huh? If you want to finish after 3 years, mean I have to do everyday class. Huh? Okay. Number 1, Muni Dhammang Bhasati. The monk say or speak to the doctrine. Okay. Number 2, Gahapatayo Vihin Minanti. Gahapatayo. Measure the paddy. Minanti mean measure. Okay. Number 3, Ahi Adipatino Hattang Dasati. Meaning Ahi, serpent. Huh? Because last time I already explained, no? If Adipatino meaning chatti, genitive, this belong. Then the Hattang belong to Adipati. If have the Adipati no Ahi meaning, Ahi belong to Adipati. Yes, understand? Please don't forget the grammar root. I already explained before. Ahi meaning is snake. Snake by the hand of the okay. The serpent bites the leader's hand. Bites the leader's hand. Okay. Next one. Isi panina maning ganhati. Isi. Sage or hermit. Take the gem with the hand. Good. With the proper way. The hermit take or hold the gem with the hand, or take the gem with the hand. Okay. Next one. Deepayo girimhi vasanti. The leopard live on the mountain. Wow. What is the diff? It's a very simple sentence. Below one. Not now, no? Not yet, not yet. Okay. 6. Ari asina pating paharati. Ari. Enemy. Yes. Very good. Next one. Kavayo Deepamhi Niding Khananti. Kavayo. Kavayo meaning the poets. Dig the. Okay. Poet. The poet dig the hidden treasure in the island. Okay. Number 8. Twang atitinang aharang desi. Huh? Now already forget, no? Yeah, last time I already, yeah. Now, example, twang meaning you. Tumhe, also plural you. And then, deseti, desenti, desesi, deseta, desemi, desi. Forget already, no? Okay, forget. No. Revision check in the previous lesson. Maybe today also we have. Today also I have. Check. Previous one check. Apa check baca sih? Before. This one no need, no? Second person, twang, tumhe. Twang also you, tumhe also you. First person, ahang, amme. Ahang meaning I, mayang meaning we. Other all are, sorry. Okay. Other all are nouns. Third, include the third person. Okay. Now, example, they say. They say see. Yeah? They see. Okay. Okay. Deti in the Puriso Aharang Deti. How to translate? Puriso Aharang Deti. The man give the food. Give the food. Puriso Aharang Deti. Okay? Deti. Example. Puriso Aharang Deti meaning the man gives the food. Purisa Aharang Denti. The men give the food. Okay, plural. And the second person, Twang. Twang Aharang Desi. You give the food. Twang Aharang Desi. Tumhe Aharang Detah. You give the food. Ahang. Ahang Aharang Demi. I give the food. Mayang Aharang Deme. We give the food. Okay? This is a verb. Verb. But according to English, not so different. Only one place. But according to Pali, first person also different. Second person is different. Third person different. Deti means the gift. According to English, gifts. Only S. Give. All give. Okay, understand? But according to Pali, Deti, Denti, Desi, Deta, Demi, Dema. Okay? But you only little bit different. Here, ti, here, si, me, nti, the, ma. Sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Short way. Si, anti. Sorry. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Usually we use. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti. You see? Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, third person. Si, the second person. Mim, first person. Shortcut. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Okay? Try to practice. Then very easy to apply. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Okay? Can? Try. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Okay? This is one kind of sutra. Or maybe mantra. Ti, anti, sita, mim. Okay, now meaning Twang atitinang aharang desi. You give the food to the guest. you give food to the guest. Next one. तुम्हें उददिम्हि कीलतः. तुम्हें उददिम्हि कील. तुम्हें means you. कीलतः is the play. Play in the ocean. You play in the ocean. Okay. व्याधयो व्याधयो लोके मनुष्ये पीलेन्ति. व्याधयो लोके मनुष्ये पीलेन्ति. व्याधयो meaning व्याधि, sick. Who has sick? Sick man. Vyadayo meaning diseases, also can diseases. Okay, Vyadayo, who has disease. And Pilenti meaning, yeah, oppress. Manusya meaning human being. Loke meaning in the world. In the world. Now whole sentence: disease, oppress people in the world. It's correct, no? Okay. Already? Next one. Kapi ahino koching paharati. Kapi meaning monkey. Paharati meaning kuching, to belly. Ahino, of the serpent. The monkey beats the serpent's belly also can. Beat, hit also can. Strike also. Yeah. Belly, stomach. Belly, stomach. Okay. Next one. Kavino mottimhi manayo bhavanti. Manayo bhavanti, they are gems in the fist of the poet. There are gems in the fist of the poet. Kavino mottimhi manayo bhavanti. Already finished now. Next one. Ravi girimha udeti. Ravi meaning sun rises from mountain. It is correct. Okay. Next one. Ahang vihinang rasing passami. Passa meaning see. I see. Okay. Rasing vihina. I see the hip of the Pleiades. The hip, HEAP, hip, no? Of the Pleiades. Okay. Next one. Mayang game ahindama. Mayang meaning we. Ahindama wander. Okay. Game in the village. We wander in the village. But this time we wander in the city, no? No anymore village in the Singapore. Have village? No. Huh? Okay. Translate into Pali. Okay, recite. Read. Leopards meaning Deepayo. Migang kill. Marenti. Deepayo migang marenti. Deepayo migang marenti. Okay. Next one. Okay, read. The sage comes from the mountain. Isi girina agacchati. Isi girina or girimha or girisma agacchati. Next one. There is a sword. Asing bhavati, no? Asim bhavati in the enemy's hand. Oh, okay. How to say? Arino hatti. Because only one enemy, no, in the enemy's hand. Arino hatte asing bhavati. Arino hatte asing bhavati. Arino hatte asing bhavati. Arino hatte asing. Sorry, this is plural, no? Yeah, asi bhavati. Okay, sorry. Arino hatte asi bhavati. Only one. Sorry. Next one. There are gems in the householder's fist. Manayo bhavanti. In the householder's fist. Gahapatissa muttim hi. Gahapatissa muttim hi manayo bhavanti. 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 Okay. Next one. We give food to the guest. Mayang atitino aharang mayang. Check mayang. Dem mayang Dema. The verb dema, no? Mayang, no? Mayang atitino aharang dema. Okay, number 6. The farmer's sons measure a heap of the paddy. The farmer's sons are, the sons is the subject. Putta. Putta belongs to the farmer. Kassa kassa putta. Kassa kassa putta. Measure meaning minanti. A heap meaning rising of paddy. We know. Okay. The kassa kassa putta we know rising minanti. Okay. Next one. The serpent gets. Okay. Ahi kavina aharang labhati. Oh, very good. Kavina or kavimha or kavisma. Next one. The monks kindle a fire. Munayo agging jalinti. Munayo agging jalinti. Okay. Next one. Okay, the householder Gahapati from the leader Adipatim ha or Adipatisma or Adipati na. A gem Maning gets labhati. Gahapati Adipatim ha Maning labhati. Okay. Number 10. The monkeys on the tree. The leopard. Meaning the monkeys kapayo or vanara or kapayo. Okay. On the tree. Rukke rukkam here rukkasming. Rukke rukkam here rukkasming. The leopard deeping paharanti. Vanara rukke deeping paharanti also can. Rukke vanara also can. Rukke vanara. Rukke kapin rukke, because the vanara stay in the on the tree, no? We can say rukke vanara deeping paharanti also can. Vanara rukke deeping paharanti. Because sometime if we put vanara rukke deeping, they misunderstand. Deeping is in the on the tree, somebody can easily get misunderstand. You see, Vanara or Kapayo Rukke Deeping. The Deepi is in the tree, but monkey is still on the tree. That's why Rukke Kapayo is proper. Rukke Kapayo. Rukke Kapayo Deeping Paharanti. Okay, understand? Next one, the leader, yes, strikes the enemy with a sword. The leader, Adipati, with a sword. Asina, the enemy. Aring, Paharati. Adipati Asina Aring Paharati. Adipati Asina Aring Paharati. Okay. Number 12. The sages look at the sun. Yeah. Isayo Raving Olo Kenti. Next one. We get paddy from the husband. Mayang from the husband. Patina. Oh, Patina, Patima, Patisma. Paddy meaning weehing. Labha, get meaning labham. Labhati, labhanti, labhasi, labhata, labhami. We cannot say. Either labhami, labham, little loan. Labham, labham. Okay. Number 14. The sickness oppressed the sons of the guest. The sickness, Vyadi, Vyadi of the guest, Atitino, sons, Putte, plural, Putte, oppress, P, le, ti. Vyadhi atitiso atitino putte pileti. Okay. Number 15. I see the sun upon the sea. I mean ahang. Upon the sea meaning also udadimhi. Udadimhi. The sun raving passami. Passami. Only I know. Passami. Ahang udadimhi raving passami. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we are going to study our next lesson now. Lesson number 6. This one, please pay attention. Huh? Because this one about the verbs very complicated. That's why you have to pay attention. Present tense active voice. This is an explanation, but it is enough to know. No need to mean the enough. You know enough. There are 7 different conjugations in the Pali. They are called Dhatu Gana, groups of the roots. But we are using only first one. Sometime 7, last one. Just only know enough. Maybe this is too deep. I am not going to explain this one by one. Not going. Okay, you see the pacha, to cook. All are the we are using all are the first conjugation groups. Sometimes 7 1. Okay, we will be receiving the verbs in active voice and past tense which conjugate into 2 number. The numbers meaning singular and plural. Third, there are 3 persons: third person, second person, first person. Pali we call Patama Purisa, Majjhima Purisa, Uttama Purisa. If you won't write down, this you understand? Now see, 2 numbers. Numbers are similar to those of nouns. Singular Eka Vachana, plural Bahu Vachana. Equal singular he, she, the king, you, I. All are singular. You see, here I also singular, you also singular. Other all include the third person. He, she, it, and all are other nouns. Everything in the under the third person. The plural Bahuvachana, they, the kings, you, we. Here we, you. All others, they, the kings, and other all are plural nouns. Okay? After that, those are nouns. We are going to divide according persons. There are 3 kind of persons: third, second, and first. Patama Purisa, Majjhima Purisa, and Uttama Purisa. Patama Purisa example: he, she, the king, singular. Plural, they, the kings. Second Purisa, we call Majjhima Purisa, singular, you. Plural also you. But Pali different, na? This is English. Uttama Purisa, singular I, plural we. This is English, not the Pali. It's English grammar, no? Understand, no? Also. Yes. Please check the last lesson. Last lesson means maybe 6 months ago I did the first course. So end of the lesson I already explained this one. Already forgotten how to remind. Already many days, no? Many months, but not many years, huh? Okay. Okay. Now we shall learn of few pronouns. You see, person, third, the masculine, third person, so, meaning he. Plural, they, meaning they. Second person, twang, meaning you. Tumhe, meaning you. First person, ahang, meaning I. Mayang, meaning we. Please write down. Okay. Now base ending with a, pacha. So pachati, he cooks. Te pachanti, they cook. Twang pachasi, you cook. Tumhe pachat, you cook. Ahang pachami, I cook. Mayang pachama, we cook. Okay, write down this one also. Okay. Okay, next one. Base ending with a, alone, suna, alonga. You see, little bit different. Sunati, sunanti, sunasi, sunat, sunami, sunam. Pacha ending a, pachati. But sometimes some verbs are ending a, lone. Suna, sunati. Sunati, sunanti, Sunasi, Sunatha, Tsunami, Tsunami. Tsunami. Okay. Okay. Next one. See. Thape. Thapeti. Thapenti. Thapesi. Thapete. Thapemi. Thapem. Only a little bit different. base ending with A, tape. Please take your textbook and so page number 8 and 9. Conjugation of the root pacha, to cook. Active voice pachati, pachanti, pachasi, pachata, pachami, pachami. And to be bhavati, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavata, bhavami, bhavama. Following similar verbs gacchati, tittati, nisidati, sayati, charati, dhavati, passati, bhunjati, bhasati, harati, aharati, kilati, vasati, hanati, aruhati, hasati, yachati. Okay, so many words have. Understand? Next page meaning page number 12. Yeah, 1 2. You see A like thapeti, no? Paleti, palenti, palesi, paleta, palemi, palem. This is one base. Another base palaya, palayati, palayanti, palayasi, palayata, palayami, palayama. Now the following similar words jaleti, mareti, oloketi, choreti, deseti, chinteti, pujeti, uddeti, pileti, udeti, pateti, thapeti. Okay, can understand now? Okay, now next chapter, see thapaya. Now here is a palayati, thapayati, same, no? Okay, write down this one also. Okay, after seeing the next one also, another number 16, the vikinati. You see, no, page number same, huh? Same. Page number same, paragraph number 16. 16. Vikinati, vikinanti, vikinasi, vikinata, vikinama, vikinama. This sunati. Remember? Kinati, janati, sunati, jinati, minati, ganhati, ugganhati, ochinati are similar verbs. Okay, like this you have to write down, try to practice, try to by heart. Okay, follow this one, check. Thape and thapaya. Thapayati, thapayanti, thapayasi, thapayata, thapayami, thapayama. Okay, please write down. Okay, understand? Okay. Root bhu, base 1, bhava, ho, to be. Now see, the root of the grammar, the root of this verb, bhu. Bhu we change to the bhava and ho. Bhavati, bhavanti. But same meaning. Bhavati also to be. Hoti also to be. Okay. Bhavati, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavat, bhavami, bhavam. Same way, hoti, honti, hosi, hot, homi, home. At that time, homi, home. Because ho different. The first person. Okay. Already finished, no? Hoti, honti, hosi, hot, homi, home. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, one example. So bhattang pachati, meaning he cooks rice. Twang bhattang pachasi, you cook rice, singular, no? Ahang bhattang pachami, I cook rice. Understand? So bhattam pachati, tvam bhattam pachasi, aham bhattang pachami. Okay. Plural. Te bhattang pachanti, they cook rice. Tumhe bhattang pachatha, you cook rice. Mayang bhattang pachama, we cook rice. They cook rice, you cook rice, we cook rice. Okay. Okay, next one I will teach next time about past tense. Okay, past tense. But anyway, if you have time to check your textbook, page number 16, 16, page number 16, past tense. Okay. Okay, try to read, try to understand. Okay, so many. No, apachi pachi, apachi pachi, apachi apachi pachi, apachi pachi, apachinsu pachinsu, apachung pachung, apacho pacho, apachitta pachitta, apaching paching, apachim pachim, apachimha pachim. Right? Chinese. How to say? Easy. Oh. This language belongs to the Buddha because this is Buddha's language. That's why. Okay? Sharing marriage. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu ඉදම් මේ පුඤ්ඤං නිබ්බානස්ස පච්චයෝ හෝතු මම පුඤ්ඤ භාගං සබ්බ සත්තානං භාජේමි තේ සබ්බේ මේ සමං පුඤ්ඤ භාගං ලභන්තු සාදු සාදු සාදු